This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake and Girl Garden easy method. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. Mix flour, sugar, eggs, and butter until smooth, and fold in vanilla. Pour batter into a greased pan and bake for 25 to 30 minutes while planning the Girl Garden layout with raised beds and companion flowers to attract pollinators. Water seedlings lightly, space plants 12 inches apart, and add compost to nourish roots for stronger blooms and fruit. Let's walk through the ingredients and simple swaps to make the cake forgiving and delicious. Measure 2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 1 stick butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 cup milk. Mix wet and dry separately, combine gently, and avoid overmixing. Pour into a greased pan and bake 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool before frosting and enjoy warm smiles. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and lets me make more simple guides. Quick recommendation: socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy during kitchen and garden work. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can snag favorites. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Creating a Girl Garden is about simplicity and joy. Choose a sunny area, amend soil, and pick easy plants. Build raised beds or containers, mix in compost for nutrients, and plant pollinator-friendly flowers like lavender and marigold alongside herbs. Space plants appropriately, water consistently, and mulch to retain moisture and reduce weeds. Enjoy seasonal blooms and small harvests, and adjust plant choices as you learn what thrives in your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.